In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the KPI visual in Power BI, a powerful tool for tracking key performance indicators. Let's start by understanding what a KPI visual actually is. In Power BI, a KPI visual helps you assess how well you're meeting your targets or goals. It not only tracks progress towards these aims, but also reveals trends over time. This kind of analysis can answer critical questions like, are we hitting our sales goal this quarter? Or how far ahead or behind are we compared to our target? Additionally, it gives you insight into whether the trend is improving or getting worse. As defined by Microsoft, a KPI visual requires three main elements: a base measure, which represents your actual value, a target or goal, and a trend axis. It's an excellent choice for metrics you want to consistently monitor and measure progress against. Now, let's delve into the hands-on part, how to create a KPI visual in Power BI. Although I'm walking you through how to do this in Power BI Desktop, keep in mind that the same logic applies in Power BI Service. Begin by preparing your measures or tables. First, you'll need a measure for your actual value. For instance, you might have something like total sales this year. Next are your measure or field for your target or goal, such as sales goal. Lastly, you need a date or time field for the trend, like month, fiscal month, or year. Once your data is set up, it's time to insert the KPI visual. Within your report, navigate to the Visualizations pane and click on the KPI icon to add the visual to your canvas. This is where the fun part begins, populating the fields. Drag your actual value measure into the value or indicator field of the KPI. Following that, take your target or goal, which could be a measure or a constant, and drag it into the target field. Finally, drag your time field, like a date or month, into the trend axis. This step is critical because it lets you see how the values have evolved over time. Before you convert to the KPI visual, it's important to consider how your data is sorted on the trend axis. If you prefer your months to appear in chronological order, make sure to sort your data by a month number field before you make any conversions. It's key to remember that once the KPI visual is set, sorting options might become limited. Typically, you'll add a KPI from scratch, but sometimes you might need to convert an existing visual. In either case, ensure that the KPI shows a comparison of the latest actual value versus your target and includes a trend line or axis displaying historical changes. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on setting up and customizing your KPI visuals in Power BI. With these tools, you'll be better equipped to track and visualize your progress towards key goals efficiently. Enjoy bringing your data insights to life.